Ashwagandha has become one of the most popular Ayurvedic herbs in the Western world, and it is no wonder, with all the benefits this beloved root has to offer. Ashwagandha has been used in Ayurveda for thousands of years as a rasayan, and it is renowned as an adaptogenic herb, which means it is used to help the body resist physiological and psychological stress. Ashwagandha is a plant. Its roots are used to make supplements to help your body manage stress. Ashwagandha also provides all sorts of other benefits for your body and brain. For example, it can reduce stress, boost brain function, and help fight symptoms of anxiety and depression. Further, we'll study the benefits of ashwagandha that are supported by science. Discover the modern life's missing link in stress and fatigue. It is the first daily support to de-stress and for adrenal support. Primarily, ashwagandha assists in reducing stress and increases resistance to fatigue. It also encourages more restful sleep. Ashwagandha is also very useful in improving strength and muscle recovery. Its extract is the answer to stress, fatigue, adrenal support, sleep, memory, cognition and muscle recovery. It's hard to avoid that we are working longer hours, often with longer commutes and more stress, leaving less time for domestic chores like maintaining the house, paying bills and dealing with paperwork or project for kids. All of this gets you into the twilight hours. Then there's this other modern habit of staying up late on phones or other electronic devices. The blue light from those devices interferes with your body's production of melatonin, the key hormone for sleep, further throwing off the body's natural sleep-wake cycle. So try ashwagandha to get a good sleep for yourself. Did you know ashwagandha is great for adrenal support and muscle mass? Research shows that ashwagandha can be useful in supporting adrenal function and may also help you to overcome adrenal fatigue. Perhaps a surprising ashwagandha benefit is its ability to increase your muscle mass and strength. Stress and the HPA axis. When feeling stressed, the body goes into fight or flight response and secretes increased amounts of stress hormones cortisol and adrenaline. A prolonged stress response can disrupt the hormone levels in the body and lead to a number of different stress-induced symptoms. How does ashwagandha work? Ashwagandha is a calming herb that helps to support the entire HPA axis, providing a subtle balancing effect on all the systems of the body. Ashwagandha supports the hypothalamus, which regulate important functions such as hormone levels, temperature, and sleep cycles. Ashwagandha helps to improve occasional sleeplessness and stress management, assists in reducing stress and increases resistance to fatigue. Ashwagandha is known for its ability to reduce stress. Researchers reported that it blocked the stress pathway in the brains of rats by regulating chemical signaling in the nervous system. Several controlled human studies have shown that it can effectively reduce symptoms in people with stress and anxiety disorders as well. Promotes cardiovascular function. Ashwagandha may help improve heart health by reducing cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Studies have found that it significantly decreases these blood fats. One study in rats found that ashwagandha lowered total cholesterol by as much as 53% and triglycerides by nearly 45%. While controlled human studies have reported less dramatic results, they have observed some impressive improvements in these markers. Encourages more restful sleep. It is clear that the many shades of stress can dramatically affect one's ability to sleep. Stress can alter the circadian clock, throw off blood sugar, flood the body with stress hormones, disturb the production of neurotransmitters, alter the microbiome and deplete the body's energy reserves, all factors linked to healthy sleep. The Ayurvedic strategy for sleep is not to sedate an already exhausted body, but to rejuvenate and rebuild its reserves so that the body has the energy it needs to sedate itself and sleep deeply, naturally. Helps improve memory and cognition. Withanolids in ashwagandha are used to improve cognitive function. Studies suggest that ashwagandha may reduce memory and brain function problems caused by injury or disease. In one controlled study, healthy men who took 500 milligrams of the herb daily reported significant improvements in their reaction time and task performance, compared to men who didn't receive. Enhanced energy and stamina. Studies have shown that ashwagandha can boost endurance during physical activity by sharpening brain function and reducing bodily pain. Researchers found that ashwagandha extracts improved cardiorespiratory endurance at 8 and 12 weeks of treatment. A study involving found that ashwagandha was able to increase swimming performance during a physical endurance test. Scientists believe that it's ashwagandha's anti-stress properties that help to improve your stamina, and similar effects may take place in humans because of the herb's ability to balance adrenal hormones that are involved in physical activity. Helps in increasing strength and muscle recovery. Ashwagandha can be a helpful tool for people engaging in resistance training and other forms of exercise that can be strenuous on your muscles. Researchers found those receiving ashwagandha also displayed significantly greater muscle size increase of the arms and chest. Research has shown that ashwagandha may improve body composition and increase strength. In another study, those who took ashwagandha had significantly greater gains in muscle strength and size. It also more than doubled the reduction in body fat percentage. Ashwagandha greatly assists in increasing WBC counts and fight diseases. An study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that supplementing with ashwagandha was correlated with an increase in white blood cells. For more information visit 20micronsherbal.com.